Okay, we're going to go ahead and jump right in. This is now where we are going to be editing your class. And so to edit your class, you're going to come up here to courses. You can either go to any of your courses listed on the left, or you can go on the top. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and go from the top. Now, if you're in multiple courses, you can kind of see. Now, the way we're doing this is we're following a very classic naming convention. Now, the college will help you initially by doing three things. One, it will create the course for you, and this is where we are following our naming convention, which will have the course number and the course title. After that, we will create the class for you, and the naming convention for that will always be the session and the year. This will help us as we archive these going into the future, and that way it'll help you too if you're teaching more than one course or you're coming back and teaching the course multiple times. The third thing we'll do is we will add your students for you. That way you don't have to worry about any of that. Now, the one thing you will need to do is you will need to edit your class by adding lectures, assignments, tests, discussions, and all the germane things. First thing to do is to kind of come in here, go over to the class, and if you notice this little wheel, you click on the wheel. We want to make sure that it's going to be set correctly, so edit class, and this is going to immediately pop up the name of the class, what it is. You can give it a description. Location obviously is going to be online, but here the class schedule will be very, very important. So you'll want to go ahead and set that for whatever day you are assigned for your course. So you'll select it. In this case, I pick Sunday because this is a demo course, and obviously we won't be doing anything on a Sunday. Click Save, and you are done.